Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make drawings on IbisPaint X. First, let's set up your canvas. Begin by tapping My Gallery and then the plus icon to create a new project. You can select the canvas size, for example, 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is great for many projects. Remember to choose your preferred orientation, either portrait or landscape, and consider a resolution of 300 dpi for excellent detail. Now, let's dive into the essential drawing tools. The brush tool offers a wide array of options, from pencils to watercolors, allowing for diverse artistic expressions. You can easily adjust the brush size and opacity using the intuitive sliders for precise control over your strokes. Don't forget the eraser tool for quick corrections, and the eyedropper is perfect for picking exact colors from your artwork, ensuring color consistency. Understanding layers is crucial for professional-looking art. Layers allow you to separate elements of your drawing, making it simple to edit without affecting other parts. You can adjust each layer's opacity to achieve transparent effects or subtle blends. Experiment with various blending modes, such as multiply for shadows or screen for highlights, to create dynamic interactions between your colors. Once happy, merge layers to streamline your workflow. Finally, let's add color and special effects to bring your drawing to life. The bucket tool is excellent for quickly filling large areas with solid colors. For smoother transitions, try applying gradients to add depth and dimension. IbisPaint X also offers a variety of filters and special effects to enhance your artwork, from blurs to artistic textures. Once your masterpiece is complete, save it in a high-quality format, such as PNG, to preserve all the details.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.